Today we are going to look at Outbox on the EgoSMS platform, how it works and how it can be of help. So let me just tap on it. This is the Outbox. Yes, so Outbox helps you, like let's say you sent out a message but you want to recover that same message. So when you come to our Outbox, you're seeing messages that this is now the account of Flo, that Flo sent on the 17th of July, on the 12th of June. This is even on the 12th of June, on the 17th of July. So you can just copy the same message. Let's copy it. Let's say I want to send the same message. Of course, this is just an example from Flo's account, but you can do the same from your account. Yeah, you just copy the same message, and then you paste it back. You go to send SMS and paste it back. Yes, and then also let's say you're also interested in the numbers. You come to where there is a CO numbers. Let me use one that has more messages. It is here. Yes. You come to CO to more. You click on more, the extreme end of that message that you want to resend. You may be interested in those numbers that you sent a message to. There is C status and then CO numbers. Now here we're interested in CO numbers. You click on CO numbers. So all our numbers will appear here. Yeah. Of course, this was a custom message. That's why it's showing like this. We use the one that wasn't custom. Yes, here. CO numbers. Yes, this is how our numbers will appear. So here we only have 2 numbers, but we can actually have multiple numbers. Let's say you sent to 10,000 or 20,000 numbers. So you copy all of them. You just highlight all of them. That is Control A, yeah, to highlight all of them. Or you can do the manual way. Like this, then you copy and then paste them the other side. Yes. That's how useful Outbox can be on the platform of EgoSMS. Thank you so much once again.